Once you have installed Node and VSC, all you have to do is just type npm init playwright and just press enter in the terminal. It will ask you to install the Playwright package. Type Y and press enter. Do language selection. Tell them where you want to put your end-to-end tests, whether you want a GitHub Actions workflow or not, whether you want to install Playwright browsers, etc. When you proceed, you will realize that Playwright starts installation and it downloads all the necessary packages and browsers, etc. Once done, you will get this screen at the end. All the necessary files needed to run Playwright will get created and will begin to show in your folder. You'll notice there's a test folder in which there is an example spec.js automatically created. Here it's created by Playwright. To run these tests, you can simply type npx playwright test and it will automatically run in the default browsers provided by Playwright. If in case you do not want these browsers, you can also just navigate to playwright.config.js and remove those browsers that you do not want. So here I'm gonna just remove WebKit and Firefox from this so that my test only runs on Chromium. If you want to observe a test on your browser, then you can just add a property of headless as false in here. If you just want to run one test case instead of running the whole thing, you can use the annotation .only. And now if I'll run the test, it will just run this test case instead of running the whole thing. You can see the browser opening this time and only one test case ran this time. Since it was just a navigation related test case, it ran pretty fast. Of course, if you prefer to not see the execution, then you can always go back to the config file and update this field to true and once again run your test. Happy playwriting, guys.